What's up, everyone? What's up? What's up, everyone? Ang hirap gumawa ng YouTube video, no? Bukod sa hindi mo alam yung iko-content mo, it's just so weird to speak in front of the camera. Yun yung pinaka na-weirdan ako, promise. I mean, kapag nakaharap ako sa camera, I feel like I am not my freaking self. And, nare-realize nyo ba, guys, na nawawala yung sanity nyo as a person? Kasi, all you do is to doom scroll on your phone, and hindi na kayo nakakapag-think critically and deeply. Nagkaroon ka na ba ng time sa sarili mo na you just sit down in silence, without your phone, without any distraction, and then you'll just think and feel. You just become free. Mahirap, di ba? Mahirap siya gawin sa panahon ngayon because we are so freaking distracted about the whole world. Tapos, na-access kasi natin na ngayon yung mundo 24/7 with our phones. So, yung value ng mundo, we cannot appreciate it now because we always see it 24/7. Bakit ka pa magiging curious, di ba, kung nakikita mo na yung life, yung mundo 24/7 and hawak mo na siya sa palad mo. There's nothing to be curious about in the world anymore. We all have different ways to cope and to escape the virtual reality. Pero, based on my experience, what I do is, first, I'm gonna be so fucking stressed. I'm gonna be so fucking stressed because I constantly scroll into my phone and I don't do anything for myself. Then I'm gonna crash out. Totoo yan. I'm gonna crash out. Thinking na, fuck, wala na naman akong ginawa ngayong araw. Paulit-ulit na lang yung ginagawa ko everyday na nagsiscroll ako sa phone ko. Tapos, wala akong nakakontribute para sa sarili ko. That's when I realized na dapat ko na ulit baguhin. Actually, I experienced this phases na lots of times. Na sometimes I'm really okay. I have my sanity. But sometimes, I just doom scroll again. And then paulit-ulit siya ng phase until one day I just said that this is my last chance for myself. I need to love myself. I need to focus on myself. I need to fucking think about myself kung ano mang binibigay ko sa sarili ko. Kasi it's so tiring to see myself in a position na hindi mo gugustuhin. Pumasok siya sa isipan ko and then I realized I should not be doing that for myself because I am hindering myself to be doing something greater than my past self would do. So, then ngayon, after ko ma-stress, after ko mag-crash out, I would really constantly think of what should I do, what can I do, what I should do for myself, hanggang sa ma-exhaust na ako. Ito yung practical reality ha, reality nung nangyayari sa akin. When I realized that I should not be living like this anymore. So, gagawin ko, I will force myself to read books, I will force myself to watch videos, self-help videos or videos about life. But it will just make me exhausted at the end of the day. So, the best way siguro talaga na maging start ng pagbabago is to know what energy is. Energy is very important. To meditate, to just feel and let things flow, because I think that suits the best for me when I don't think about anything. That is when my most calm self. Actually, I am always fucking stressed because Maybe it's just a defense mechanism or a trauma response, I don't know. But since I was a kid, I am fucking stressed. Until now. And I am driven by negative energies. So sometimes, I just really wanna rest. Gusto ko na lang mahiga, matulog, or maging lonely at sad girl for the rest of my day. Ngayon, nakakasawa siya eh. No? When you think of it, nakakasawa siya mangyari. Biruin mo, magpapaka-sad girl ka na lang ranting about your so-called life, ranting about the world, this world na sinasabi mong ang pangit naman ng mundo, ang pangit naman ng gobyerno. How do you expect the change? You don't even change yourself. Diba? Kung iisipin mo, kung ikaw nga, hindi mo kayang baguhin yung sarili mo, mag-expect ka pa ng change sa government or sa world. It's actually, yun na yun eh. It is what it is na. Kasi nangyayari ngayon sa world natin. Because the world needs balance. Yin and yang, di ba? Meron talagang masama, meron mabuti. But you constantly focus on the bad things that is happening in our lives and you get addicted to the negative energy. So, kapag addicted ka na sa negative energy, you become miserable. And then, isisisi mo na sa lahat sa external things. But actually, the problem is in you. Stop blaming others kasi ang problem is inside you. Okay, you can change the way you think. You cannot change the way you act or how you react, respond. Then, hindi mo dapat din na-expect ang change from other people or government or the world because nothing will change if you don't. When you want to change something and then you change it yourself, you can be a great example for someone and that will lead to change. We cannot be hypocrites. I know people are freaking hypocrites. We can change that fact. But you should choose kung ano yung kung saan ka magiging hipokrito. Hindi yung sa values mo, hindi yung sa beliefs mo. And imagine kung iniisip mo na nakakasama yung vaping, but you still do it. You're a fucking hypocrite. Hipokrito ka sa sarili mong beliefs. After you meditate, you will find this feeling of relaxation, feeling of clarity. And then, dun na magsisimulang pumasok yung silence. While you were meditating, silence comes. And in the silence, there are revelations. There are answers. Spiritually, they will reveal some things to you. We are just controlled. We are programmed. We are controlled by the elites to live like this. Biruin mo, mag-aaral ka 17 years, palagi mo 17 years, kasama yung kinder. Mag-aaral ka, and then when you graduate, you will have this degree, we will have this career, your whole life, and ito lang yung alam mong gawin. You stop being creative because that's what education system makes us. Stop performing, just think and be miserable for your whole damn life and don't understand anything about what you have learned. Just memorize, Yun yung yun yung ginagawa ng education system natin eh. So, biruin mo, after that, magre-retire ka at siguro 60 or 65. And then, sa mga times na yun, maybe uugod-ugod ka. Mga times na yun, maybe patay ka na. Even before you retire. So, yun yung pagkakaprogram sa atin ng mundo. Actually, not ng mundo, ng mga elites. That I would suggest na you start living your life now. Gumala ka, experience the things, live the most out of it, be creative, be um appreciative, because hindi ka mabubuhay dyan sa phone na yan if you constantly scroll, if you constantly um be happy about something that is nonsense from your phone. It will just drain the life out of you. So if you start that living now, you will see the greatness of the world and how magical the world is. Stop scrolling, start living.